Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on auto blocker in Samsung. So if you want to turn on or enable auto blocker on your Samsung Galaxy phone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on auto blocker in Samsung, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung phone settings, scroll down, locate security and privacy or security and biometrics. So this depends on Samsung phone model. Once you selected that, scroll down the page, locate auto blocker under biometrics and click on it. Once you selected auto blocker, you should see your auto blocker turned off. To turn on auto blocker on your Samsung phone, just toggle this on, then hang on. Now you want to scroll down under advanced, make sure you turn on messaging app protection and block software update by USB cable. Once you have everything under auto blocker turned on, then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn on auto blocker in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.